Humans have identified over 2 million different animal species, with some estimates putting the total at somewhere around 8.7 million. Not all of them are friendly, as you will soon find out in this video. No worries, you get to watch from the safety of your own habitat.
Come closer, yeah, man. Just a little. Yeah, you go. Yay!
Just it! Just it! I just said, did you see the TikTok of the guy?
Check out the absolute massive size of this catfish caught in the United States. Catfish are a very diverse group of ray-finned fish with some varieties living up to 60 years. One catfish can lay up to 4,000 eggs a year per pound of body weight, and they taste great breaded and fried with butter.
Oh, he's crushing my hand. That is a huge blue catfish. The largest catfish species here in North America.
You hold tight.
I got him.
You lose that tail, you're gonna lose fish.
No.
Guys, been remotely safe. Please don't do anything you're about to see.
Where's the head? Where's the head? No. Hey. Get them, Liam! Get them, Liam! Get them, Liam! Get them, Liam! Nah, take it over there, take it in the bush, take it in the bush. Nah, over here in the ladder. Go in the...
Wow. That was dramatic.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Where's the lifeguard? Oh my god! Oh my god! Well, so they say if the snake's tongue is coming out, they're awake. Sometimes they're asleep, but you don't know that because their eyes are closed when his tongue is coming out. I can't believe he's just chilling like this. When he notices that I'm here, he should coil up. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's fine. I'm not all that excited. Wow, he's just trying to go in the log pile. He's in. You're good. Man, did he come alive quick. He was shooting towards your log pile.
If you see this bear, please call your local authorities. He's wanted for shoplifting and could strike again any moment.
Be advised, we got a moose and a black bear. Both going on each other. Right.
Closes the fucking thing.
Hey, y'all go ahead and fucking just go.
This manta ray encounter caught on video shows how smoothly they cut through the water. Manta rays have the largest brain to size ratio of any cold-blooded fish and pose absolutely no danger to humans. They just look cool. Watch how quickly this super thirsty snake takes down this cup of water. Who's going to be the idiot to give this snake a beer? You know someone out there has tried it.
Drunk. That's crazy.
are seemingly everywhere in some parts of the US and Canada. This curious fella looks like he's lonely and just wants to make a friend, although this lady doesn't seem like she wants to get to know him anytime soon.
It's a black bear, so like if you're like talk and then like, I don't know, make it aware of you, like you're fine.
Please tell me you've learned to stay away from dangerous animals after watching that compilation of scary wildlife footage. I hope so, because we need you around to hit like buttons and subscribe to our channel. We'd miss you if you missed any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.